Hey guys, welcome. I think people will be joining in the meantime, so I will just start. Anyway, it will be recorded and published on YouTube as soon as possible. Everybody will be able to watch the recording and catch up with the things later. So quickly, I will go through some of the B3X updates. So as you know, like we started in January building of B3X AI assistant, which we renamed as B3X AI Navigator. So since the launch in January, like we launched the trading using natural language. You could just type what you want to achieve, and it could execute the trades on Hyperliquid, Lighter, and Aster, the three per Texas, like which is very popular. Later on, we launched advanced quant trading, like in which you could select the technical indicators, and also you could explain the strategies in much more broad context and more with quantitative weight behind it. So in this way, like you were able to bring your vision, what you had in mind, into actual practice, those type of strategies getting executed. And then we launched a function of copy trading, like where you could copy trade any top hyperliquid copy trader. You could see like how much AUM they have and how much money they made it on weekly basis, monthly basis, yearly basis. And based on it, like if you're convinced with his success ratio and trading strategy, then you could simply copy trade them. You can copy trade them either on Hyperliquid, or you can copy trade that particular wallet which is on Hyperliquid, but you can copy trade the same trades on Lighter or Aster Perptex also. So it's like you are copy trading a trader on Hyperliquid, but you are actually trading on Aster or Lighter. So you could do that with us. So that's pretty much like what we achieved. And we have some health issues related to one of our blockchain developer, so due to which his availability is very low. That's the reason like why we are not able to fix that bug like what we have for the past 2 weeks, because he was on holidays for 12 days. Before that he had certain issues, but like very soon he will be back and we will be able to fix it. As far as like front end and back end is concerned, like we have made like significant improvements to our LLM models, and we are also training them with like very immense amount of quant data, with sentiment data, with various other data that we can think of as far as quant trading is concerned. And not just that, but we are also in the process, like in the future, to integrate SFSS to the quant trading system itself, so that they will be much more refined, and they will be able to do better things. So that's where we stand as far as the B3X quant trading side is concerned. So we are just waiting for our blockchain developer to come back, because there is some things that we need to integrate the LLM with the blockchain side. Once we fix that one, then we will be able to launch you in the prediction markets, like which we have been waiting for some time. We have applied for builders program of Polymarket, so we are waiting for the results of that as well. And once we become like verified Polymarket, a platform, then we will be getting some kind of revenues from the volumes that we generate, even from the Polymarket side, and we'll be on the leaderboard, which will give us like a lot of exposure, and even they will give us some kind of marketing exposure. So that is going to be very great for us. We will also be launching like new per Texas, like which is very popular currently. EdgeX is very popular as well. So we are planning to integrate EdgeX and couple of other per Texas, like which is very hot and which haven't met their TGE yet, which means like they don't have token, but they will be coming out with a token very soon. Because if we go to these kind of projects, like then they will be very open for partnership, and they will be very open to do some co-marketing with us, which will help us to bring their traders on board very easily on our platform. So this is pretty much our GTM, to go to those kind of projects, get those people on board, make them our users. So that's how we will grow. And then we'll also be coming out with referral programs, point systems. We will introduce even point systems like where your trading volumes will will give you some points, and which can be later on converted to the tokens when we launch it. And then there will be copy trading feature also on prediction markets, and also like cross prediction markets between per Texas and prediction markets. Now, this is very interesting because you can take a position which is long on Bitcoin, and you can take a short position on prediction markets, expecting the prices of Bitcoin to come down. So you are hedging, but also like that there is a like higher chance of winning in this way than just like being long or short on Pertex. So there is a new product by Polymarket, like where you can predict the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or like many cryptos, for example, in 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. There are different time frames. So you can make a prediction like whether it will be above 70,000 or below 70,000 and these kind of things. So that's something very interesting product. And once we make this kind of arbitrage between prediction markets and per Texas, then you will have a lot of earning opportunity. So this is what something that we are actively planning to launch in the coming days. So that's pretty much the updates on B3X. So if you have any questions, like go ahead and write it. If you don't have, like, then let's stop the call here. Okay, I think there is no questions from anyone. So let's stop the call here. Thank you so much, guys. So that's the update for now. And maybe a side question. I noted that the price of BQ token is not shown anymore on CoinMarketCap. Why is this case? Really? Just give me a minute, please. Okay, then I actually I saw it now. I I was not knowing this before, but it's a good thing that I am seeing it now. I will try to reach out to them and ask what is the real issue. Price drop should not be a problem because many tokens have the price drop, but they should have some kind of criteria or something. Anyway, like, I will reach out to them and I will ask them personally, like, what is the issue. But as far as CoinGecko is concerned, which I use mostly, there is no problem because it's still shown very well. But it shouldn't be the case because CoinMarketCap should have sent me an email or someone in the company, like asking for some clarifications or something, but they haven't done it yet. So delisting like that, it's not fair. So anyway, I will just get in touch with them, and I will see, like, what is the issue. Yeah. Thanks for bringing it to my attention because I don't see coin market cap, but it was good to know. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for being here, and we will updates more. We will have more updates to share, like in our next meeting, as we go to the next phase of shipping of products. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care.